After day one of the practices, most people here get lots of blisters. It's pretty common. Like, when you go over to the waiting room at the clinic, there's like at least like 20 to 25 people in front of you. It takes about 2 hours to be seen, but basically what they do is they take a needle and they pop your blister and then they tape you up so it supposedly doesn't affect you the rest of the march. Well, as you can see from right here, the blister that they did 2 days ago re-ruptured today when I was walking, so I must have festered up yesterday and then exploded today. That's what this is right here. This is my pinky toe that had a blister on it the size of making it maybe one of these 2 toes. They popped it, drained it, and it grew again. There's a blister under the whole part of this, under the tape. So, yeah, it's pretty messed up, and it's really hard to do ruck marches.